Prepare installation tools. Wipe the surface dust down the wall. Measure your wall. Plan your layout according to the size of the wall. Make sure the level and draw the vertical lines. Marked out the place to paste the first piece. Ready to install. Check the quality before attaching. Brush the glue both on the wall and also the back of the wall panel. Attach the first piece. According to the horizontal line to repeat attaching across the wall. If needed, measure and cut the wall panel into suitable size, then attach it. Sand the edges of the wall panel after cutting. Completed attaching, brush or spray the painting. Finished installation. Installation method 2. Leave a 1.5 mm width joint between the first and the second piece, cutting the layer into required length. Apply the glue on the back of the layer. Paste the layer into the gap.